Hi, I'm Sarah Egan from Boat Style. Congratulations, I understand you bought a boat. After designing some of the most beautiful boats in the global fleet, today I'm here to talk about how to personalise your boat, some tips and some tricks just to put your personal stamp on your own boat. So come on, let's go inside. The saloon or salon is the perfect meeting point. It sort of sets the mood for how you like to relax and how you like to entertain on board. And when you come to putting your personal touches on board, throw pillows are a super way to make a quick fix. I love pillows as a really quick and easy way to change up the space and how it feels. A great pillow combination has variation in terms of sizes and texture, like this beautiful applique, and different shapes. So you see our little lumber down here. These are gorgeous pillows from Pantaenius design, are just perfect for getting a nice mix of texture, running with the same wonderful subtle taupe colour in the white background. The texture inside, little beads and beautiful applique. Pull it all together without trying too hard. It's about balance with those different sizes. And you can see here, we've got a wonderful little story. It's creating impact in this corner for what's a really long couch. Put your pillows into one corner or make a big statement in one area rather than just having one or two sitting throughout that area. Learn more about mixing colour and texture, how to place throw pillows and other designer tips in our blog at boatstyle.com.au. High performance solution dyed fabrics are the perfect way to keep your furnishings looking great year after year. These easy care fabrics are water, stain, mould and fade resistant and can be used inside or out. Be sure to add some accessories like all-weather throw blankets for chilly evenings on board, or to add the perfect finishing touch to a cabin bed or lounge. Store your throws, swim towels and shoes in baskets to keep them close at hand and neatly organised. Baskets in braided polypropylene and sunbrella yarn can be used outdoors or indoors. Shop online for baskets, throws, pillows and unbreakable drinkware and tableware at boatstyle.com.au. Thanks for tuning in, and just remember we're always here to help. If you want to add your own personal elements, the website is a great resource. If you're looking for something in particular, please get in contact, we'll help you find it. If you're wanting to refurbish a yacht, or perhaps you want to start all over again and refit your yacht, we're here to help. So look forward to catching up with you next time, and happy boating.